Welcome everyone for the midterm presentation of the patient merge enhancement project. Let me first introduce my team. I am Milan Karnaratna from Sri Lanka. My primary mentor is Simon Savai. My backup mentor is Ada Yang. So, merge patient enhancement project will be implemented on the Musima core module. From this implementation, it will give functionalities to merge patient registrations which are having errors. And another advantage is it will be give functionalities to create new patient registration instead of merge into another. Let's take a look at the current UI. In the current UI, there is a window for the what is the error message, and user can edit error patient registration payload by this JSON object, and user can send it back to the queue process. However, if there has duplicated error, there is haven't any worth it send back to back queue data. So my implementation will give solutions for these issues. Let's take design phase. Create UI mockup as finding the requirements of the project. Enhance searching errors by error message. Opening error data that's potential for patient merge. Patient merge UI with functionalities. Enable processing registration data previously flagged as duplicated. Enable saving patient records that merge with new registrations. Let's take a look at demo. In the if there is a have error duplicated message, it will shows go to the merge page. So user can give to the merge page by clicking this button. This is the merge UI. User can select OpenMRS registration by clicking select all, or user can select patient error registration as a correct one by clicking select all from the right side, or user can select individually. If user want select this age, he can click he can select by clicking this like this. If there you can see if some data have conflict, this UI highlights by red color. If there is no conflict, this UI highlight by green color. This is the current implementation. In the create new patient page is still implemented. Let's take code contribution. This is the implementation for the error search by error type. This is the implementation for adding a button for direct into the merge UI. This is the API endpoint for the retrieving data from the OpenMRS database, and this is the UI for merging UI. This is the implementation for the next implementation for the create new patient records. Those are the current implementation. Let's take a look at what are the implementations for the future. In the future, I will implement those two implementations. First one is enable processing registration data previously flagged as duplicated, and another one is enable saving patient records that merge with new registration data. And finally, this is my project details, and this is my contributions and my documents. Then you can find my fix and issues which I have sent from the Mozilla Jira. And finally, I like to thank my two mentors because they give a lot of contribution for my project. So I would like to thank them. Then you can find me on the both IRC, Mozilla IRC and OpenMRS IRC also. So you can drop me an email from this email. So thanks for watching my demonstration. Okay, see you.